omo no moko na no afo otumfo ho ben me ba jo te da goma wo te posase akoka me kan otumfo akoka me kan omo ko Asantehene bi wosire mana tani bi ani asase wo Asante mampo ho enti Yakubu woni won kwase afo no won kom krom Asante mampo enye ntafo odwesu mama yarga Bawku force me nka jo so we bema na watwi ba ukro
oda fa me mo bi akwaba shronko en fa brand party TV so e ka me ese Bawku ntokwa no asama no hu si bi anya asem ketoa e wo honum na watwi ntami ene yehu se ye IGP yehonu ene ne brandse ne ekopie mu ho honum na chese omo ko no makohwe se ye betimi atoye no mo kopie mu ho honum no pe ni kohwe na chese enya asem ketoa e wo honum kro no nam so amera John Draman ma wa bra na odi nsem bi atudwa no ene o ka se wo be shop him so na say tutu esen to koye ekoso ewo eye Bawku yi obe shop him so say wode na no betum se ne beye na asumdwe mapa ebe pie mu ede afi honum apa eno ene na yidie Afia Schwar garden se bebe na betudwa ese wo sre opem so say en to kwa na ekoso ewo Bawku no ense se wode na no ekotum ye pa esen so kopie mu Bawku a Asantehene bia anyone ti no manyom to kwa na omoko opem so tina baby din wo srew kotodwe gufo mensa edansa yem se wo pa wo chow owo ehia Asantehene ye pa nti no ntokwa na ekoso no emfa wano enkotum ende Afia Schwar ga be horo nsem ye pa ende nsem odi tudwa ese wo manfo bi na abo Kevin Taylor pa so be horo eya Asantehene de ende Afia Schwar ga de ni nyina etudwa e wo no wadafo ye nti nsem odo we Afia Schwar ga etudwa e wo no ye ba ya to so ede ma ye kwa kote Afia Schwar ga no na me kan fo tap send ede ama so am no ne na sa o send scam ede abaga na fa mobile money bank account na say zip ko app store na say Play Store na ko download tap say bisa promo code no about party TV ede show ne a cho bonus ede account ye nto hwedafo ye nti nsem odo bi a Afia Schwar ga etudwa na wo sre wo pem so say ntokoi emma onfa na no ensum yankwo ni nkotie bi embra
this for ya mane ko bi a they have always wanted to disrespect you. In fact, they pay people to disrespect you. Nana, NDC, they pay people to disrespect you or 24722. Because if not, why can Kevin Taylor be disrespecting you and Ibrahim Mama is not saying anything? Even though Ibrahim Mama is the financier of Kevin Taylor. What you penny? Me can't say so. Your man did say Asantehene no de beba form. Omo begu ani mase. Me say NDC amanyokwa they have always disrespected you. Whether you know it or not, otumfo na me body sorry. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mama. They told me themselves Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mama. Why is Kevin Taylor disrespecting you? And Ibrahim Mama and John Mama have not said anything. Now, I'm pesa woman do ko chichi ko sase fo nto kwani. Na anya ya, omo di abesia wo so. Hwe, otumfo, Asantefo ya ko social media ya bre o. Ya bre. Esra mo wanya koma wo butuo. Who is supplying them ammunitions? Who is supplying them ammunitions? Machine guns no mukrano. Why na dey ma wo mo? Anything na me start me catch us say ya to aba na MPP na zero. MPP ni bi ani boko. All their constituencies MPP recorded zero. MPP ni bi ani boko. Politicians now they talk to you ma wo mo. Because somebody so mo ye moa. If they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to me kwato be from ahine ma bu kwato be wo wanim enkofa santemai enfa kwotwetwe sa bininim na obi anto abama na said to King Solomon in the Bible and na se bia no me ba ya wodi you. They want to embarrass you. They want to drag you in the mess. They want to drag you in the mess. In the mess that Mahama Yaraga Apotina Semwa will create here. Otumfo Asantefo ya bre. Ya bre. Emo bia fa unko chuchu sa binini mo. Na ndisi fo we di de mawa. and kakabintela until was a so kwasia sabi manutu so menaso and ka wanti wo as so kwasia. We want peace. We want peace. We want peace. We don't need shit from anybody. Ya peso bi abasadu wadi mo ba ye fom. Esremu to come start yenene. And the politicians who ho agim. Ama wo mo mama medani asem ni mu so. Say this wani die bi di mawa. On top of us way, and can tell and go aja what didie because Ibrahim Mama and the finance no. Yes. Yes. Rafik Mama and a catcher me, Rafik Mahama and a catcher me. Everything that is going on is NDC machinery. Because one phone call, Ibrahim Mama can call Kevin to respect you, but he will not do that. Na se omo kwa na fo akwa hunu nsuo a omo metifi emma bebusa wo na ne mensa gumachi mitimi nya wani nkra ntene mensa enso o se me express me ho otumfo dwene wo ho dwene Asantehene ho ya brani yoka yeke omo betu aba no Bridget to that the minister saw me on Babesia, the minister fu sa articulator, on credit what them. On credit what them. Nane, General Ho, one Junior Asantehene. And somewhere there Fuano Kotu, Bawku, and more to us on Vanko. And two guns, machine guns, a good ceremony. Minister say we police headquarters. Why would they instigate you? Now you almost saw more Bawumia. I want share ammunition to go on. Now you almost saw more Bawumia. Ah, what trouble about them the dear? No, the dear one so far them we are, or the do at them. Mama Yanga. Bawku force me kancho so we a bema na what we Bawku. Bawku you to know almost me kancho say we a bema mama yanga who's on to go crew. Almost na what you do a bema for when you be shady. Na sha say anya by election. Bawku you to na catch me. Almost me kancho so we a bema. If you think you are a man, one chrome with your braho. Na chance of Busumi way, ye never election. Or two for ya part chow. Nana, ya dong. Ya dear no. Ya phone ya make us because ye young coupon. Young coupon see so. One and say true. Yes, sir. Asantehene part chow. Man, Prusini Bawku form talk idea. Man emparo. Man Jamunko. They want to rob you in that foolishness and blame you. They want to rob you in it. Omo chwo de wako. Oche wo hu a no masa komo mutuo no ma ye de chance a. Na ya befo wa hinye na twitwi binimu. Me de onyame din pa chawo. Asantefo nyina adwene na me ka chawo ne no. Na ya sraw. I'm free your margin, sir. And this for free your margin, so bad disrespect Asantehene no. And then neck. And then no, nene. Nana, yes, raw. Asantehene and Sabu and Sayam. Yes, Rawai. Clua, we man and Parawai. A Parawa BBLC. BBLC. Obu Asantehene was Simana. And tough for no much or more or moko. Then what for 2 for obeying. Oh, 2 for please. Nana ya Pachow, I am speaking on behalf of the Ashanti youth. I am speaking on behalf of the Ashanti youth. Nana, don't get involved in this dirty political instigated war. People of Bawku, I want to speak those in English so that somebody will interpret it for you. The politicians are citing you people against yourselves so that there will be no development in the country, in that region. Have you seen that there is no fucking development in Bawku? And let me tell you, the recruitment they promise you, it won't happen. Because we will not allow the police to employ criminals. Running about shooting people in unlicensed gun, you are a criminal. That's a crime. Criminals are not recruited to police. Hell no. The politicians are using you people against yourselves. Because it is your brothers and sisters you are killing. You are not killing anybody in the Ashanti region. You are not killing anybody in the Central region. You are killing yourselves. Do you think we care? Do you think we care? You people should sit down and be wise. And be wise. So that development will come into your villages and your cities. Bawku is the worst, the least developed region in Ghana. Ask yourself why. What do you get from this? Obi kwetu a woku Bawku wo sukwa onim di akoso. Mo ya wonta na mo njimi, yesi e famo. Otumfo ya sraw. Ye ankasa otumfo ye ka o ankasa wo ayi sikadantam kase eguso. Na na setu ye ka sikadantam kase eguso so. E fa wanu nkoto sa asemi mu. And for one no koto sase na afese ne obetra se akase Afia kan e mo me da and for when you nkoye from say this for bua Kevin Taylor won didi water and this for bua Kevin Taylor won didi water me se Rafik Mahama oye John Mahama mu nua ketwa on na da jata cement on na da no ono na ka kire me say oh Ibrahim is sorting Kevin, don't worry. Ibrahim Mahama is the one financing Kevin Taylor. And we have seen the respect. Rafik Mahama not to catch me when he came. Now me to the came, let me call this guy. Also, Kevin, Ibrahim is sorting him. Ibrahim is doing everything. So if Ibrahim Mahama is financing Kevin Taylor, and Kevin Taylor is disrespecting you will do for. And I said, "Ba no ma betina se wo koka because ye do no ye pe obi di ahye no. Ye pe obi di ahye no. Omo de hye na na do enye ye. Omo de hye obi enye ye. Ye pe obi di ahye no. Otumfo you are not going there. Because so kwa aye ni na ye bebu anim ti ani bi. Me catch them. Yankopon no. And it's obi so wo hu se wo ye nyame kese a. Papa tina se na da. Why won't copy Bawku for boys no? Momo say mama yanga say okọ Bawku na dia no koye. In any case, almost omo twen no mra. Bawku the Bawku youth. Almost say me nka mama yanga say we die Afia tantro na what you we womla ni krum. If you man the copy Friday, mama yanga ko krum me o ye ko krum me ko Bawku. Mama yanga ko Bawku ko me ko. Onyame ko boss so ni asase no wa ma ye terms and conditions o se wo je ne ba ni dia wo benya nkwa na cha se won ye ne ba ni ya you are not his problem utie nyakomo kra no ama ye terms and conditions sa wo je ne di ogini di benya nkwa na se wan je ndi a won ka ho otumfo you didn't come to solve all problems and you can't even solve tribal war me ba jote da bomba what e ko sase ana ye kocheche match ye kocheche ma interpreti papa tena wo baby why Asantehene ya bre ni anim tie bu bre ni atendidie ya bre ni se ase bibia ba sori ana na be ya sra na koka mekan otumfo koka mekan wa ye koka mekan ma boy na se no o si zongo asase no ye nton ma obi nton tani bia nkoto asase wa Asantehene mbo according to what I said no tani bia ni asase wa Asantehene mbo ho zongo asase bi nton ma obi a enti say ya mo say mo ba chichi kru a mo nchechire shirt samate mo ba di power pa wo hide dan na fiere wunye efiere ni na busuafo church apade a na mo je chi atwe nkrante no Asantehene mbo hine say zongo asase no onfa ma obi a in fact said ya me no I can't hear right as long baby I'm wanting to why I'm zongo no yeah try ababi be development I want here be enti Yakubu won won kwasiafo no mon kwa mukrom won won kwasiafo no mon kwa mukrom Asantehene mpo enye ntafo odesuo you test baby am here ho Asantehene mpo enye tani bia ni wo fra Asantehene mpo tani bia ni ho a wo fra Asantehene mpo minti mi free water region and net enti mi free watchna aya simple maso ndoko amfa nko mu krom said ye kan na no ye kan Asantehene kwase ani ho na mo fo said enti ne yeso mo so because ye here tata ya mo na mo betai mampofo ye mpedumaden ye here tata ye hi obi akodo a ana dance break tintasua to obi aso mama te se mampon wasase yanto matani bia zobo wana mote no mote wasi ye hu mobo ma yasun te se de na no kwase de na mo ye mboye biem se mo na mo be kire nipa o be DMC ewo Asante mampon mo share mabo badam mo kwase afo Asante onya Asante mampon this year. If you are there as a slave. You are there as a slave. You need this year. Won't be made this year that. Mampo akunya bi ameto me emfa ma tani da. Mampo akunya bi ameto me emfa ma tani da. Put it in your head. Someone genius. As Asantehene, we are so lenient and so entertaining that obi abetna Asantehene ma o feel comfortable as say o be so take one step above. What shall what? Adeya yenko pamoesta nyemfa Yakubu mra fa wano na adebo Yakubu no fa kobo na ntwibini mu asia wate wo yanko asiafo we've entertained stupidity for so long wo jare wate mo jare chata ye ne power party wasetna ye de ewo MC kokrom near matching intelligence. There are so many wise, intelligent people in the north. Go to the north. Never say a conversation with you, Baba Moana. Go to your fucking city. Go to your hometown. Asantehene is not your fucking hometown. Say what Jimia and to so. Say, oh, Shia. Both political parties now are warning more. Men try my warning me warning more. And crawling the Asantehene ponenta for Jesu. You test Asantehene and then for Jesu. Dear boy, dear monta for more come mokoyeno. Mom say Asantehene pony baby no account. Anti people are shame. Mom say Asantehene pony baby account papa penny no bubudia. What you want to buy Jimmy Coco? As a politics in Tinipentini, Sheni Penny Munganjas at Oyen and Moasem. What Jarwate? What Jare? And I Yakubu am I am Pena Pua Yakubu no flame. Was Siano Wate? Jimmy Fong was Siafua, ye Pobia ko Jimmy among your fam. What see any moon? What see I say Yakubu no? Why short list? Now short list in tough for a Bua Wate. O jare wasiafo na Asantehene ejina techima etwese kama wira anaze enka Bawku ntokoi na Asantehene yempe won bi da ede kwase asem no ede kwase ye mama soso taso na bedani bini ya soso taso na adani bini me yesa cheni na me ka kire mo ya soso taso na adani bini tani bia ni akona wa Asantehene Oteni ba oni akonya ewa Asantehene fatu timu mukwasi ade no ungovernable mujimi na modete boko na modane ho ungovernable no a mode ba yeye so no muni chasiri tani bia mfa Asantehene kadimeti tani bia mfa Asantehene kabiem otani bia mfa Asantehene die twato otani bia mfa Asantehene therefore tani ni akonya wa Asantehene Otani biani akonya ewa Asantehene. Sakwabna boachibidi assemblyman e wosirema. Monsoma no nomra. Obi ansoma no ho. Go and develop your hometown. And stop fighting over developed hometowns. Kwasiafo mokase ati Asantehene odi kwasi asem na mudi na. Enka kuro na be ye kuro. Ama mo petani am na be MC. Mo ma bi twem. Mo ma bi twem ne nya ya buta akam. Enkwasi asem sa na modi ayemu kuro ungovernable. Enkwasi adiesa ene sire mo motena wa enyeyi. Enkwasi adiesa nti na motena sire mo enyeyi. Sa kwasi asem na mo ye no. Se mo ba Asantehene ho no. Sa ne ene motena ya. Enka motimi tena ho. I come to me now. What's your what? I had this for a 9 abobodrium. As I tell my body, I told me this and MPP. Most jale what?
Other for then somehow the Afia shas negadi to join your connecti moon and semi by and Mr. Sobaswa for comment at was some shana kota for send you be answered to make a video e be. Meaning the abna or some of my crime be share e be.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was a niska bania de any project no. As to the be a me office money or problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending ka.
No so ne de.
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy any say.
Chine say wonko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma de pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make quack friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet also. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atu susu nkakra. Enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. Anase oba o my Ghana mu. What in here you sika e wa wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you su momo Ghana hayru.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trainer shim. Kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.